This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable the bootloader mode on this device. So first we will need to switch the tablet off by holding the side power key and proceeding with the power off option. Once the tablet is switched off completely or entirely, you'll need to boot it into the recovery mode, which you can do by simultaneously pressing and holding the volume down, volume up, and power keys. So press them all at the same time and keep holding them. Once you see the BLACKVIEW logo, let your finger off the volume button, but keep holding the once again, let your finger off the power button, but keep holding the volume keys. So we're starting with pressing all three buttons, then BLACKVIEW logo appears. Release the power key and keep holding volume down and up buttons until you'll see the Android recovery menu. Here go into the reboot to bootloader option. By the way, you can navigate through the recovery mode with your volume buttons, and once the needed option is selected, tap the power button to confirm, and that will reboot our tablet to the bootloader mode. And well, that will be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.